Ija Akashvani Itanagar Ani January let ma ni banali tarik budbar erumakem vanchoka ho pai phale manchui jamikame Governor Lieutenant General retired Keti Parnaik hi Chief Minister Pema Khandu ni Mark Bihu Makar Sankranti boma Pongal han pakmale state khanak nu hatumong mai ka hole Governor Mark Bihu khanak nu motlam satlam ahole aponasa Makar Sankranti le Uttarayana heya Prasuram kunning ke khato Rangshom ramring ke boma Pongal le khanak nu tunu wansa boma Rangvin rahan phai Assam le balangotai poi le aponasang le reke pangpo ore changpul hole Governor Assamese boma Tamil khanak nu hato le region ma atata phai Assam le tamok tamsa le ngobak hele chu hole Governor Lieutenant General retired Keti Parnaik le enke humbani gangtok to Lok Bhavan tungui le Sikkim toke chining ke Om Prakash Mathur phai apong la le state ni bama tamok tamsa le ngong ke bama arong le Parnaik ke Arunachal Pradesh ma eco adventure spiritual hiya cultural tourism le omla le mali motlam satlam tu chen vanlam boma tourism to mokkali kha tai hu puluwan le chia organic manrai satmot akhau ke boma cha sai kha hangang ka honu chu na lai ang khat le chu horticulture hiya allied sector hanpakma linot nausam entrepreneurs boma officials bu hanpakma le structure exchange programs ring le alai le moksa kali le chu wan le state ma mai pong wan ro bama khat le mamok ma sa rai ke changke len ke humbani chief minister Pema Khandu Arunachal Pradesh ma jau pongwang le ke ang Guwahati to mai pong akat ang to phumram le ko le Hale Asiatic Lilium Maipong Hokangbu Lower Subansiri District toke manrai mi angke ngun lakta tha ko le shak la le yat ani jau akat le Department Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH khama state ma maipong wan rau bu temning ke kai thom ko le mai he le arong mong le mok sak le ngole RD hiya Panchayati Raj Minister Ojing Tasing Bolengto Disease Conference Hall ma begging tingkho khanak nu phai la ke development meeting to hakle hayama departments bu chi makhang khanak nu phan amai angke welfare hiya infrastructure project buto mokang arong among lengo kabama arong le nyamar karba ke West Siang district to kamba angke government high secondary school ma linot nausam hiya khapak khasebu hanpakma AI Explorer program boma AI job ready program le AI hiya machine learning courses liani ka dable hakama AI Explorer program grade arok khang banni kaple anoke linot nausam hanpakma ni aga boot camp boma AI job ready program skill technologies exposure boma phai hanpakma achon atha karongma le college nausam boma graduate stam hanpakma le khonta puram advanced course le changle Horan Kamke Itanagar Mayor Likha Nari Tadar IMC Commissioner Kego Jilen Phai Tamle Home and Interstate Border Affairs Minister Mamana Tungphai Apongle Hayama Home Itanagar Khanak Nu Hanpakma Na Maile Civic Development People Centric Governance Boma Urban Administration Phan Amay Angkabama Larongle Local Farmer Producer Organizations Tam Upper Subansiri Chaupa Hanpakma Chennai to ke GI registry ang GI application ko le haya eto yang la thaiba tingkho manrai mi hanpakma ngunjan achak le kap ang mayang ka boma hat azat le tanang chu mayai thamaga le ke Arunachal Yuwa Samanvai 2026 namsai to chongkham ma January sa makhange saga tarik kap le atu aya angkama khaphak khase tham motli satli to chongle mokang ke honje kapchwakai Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Mani New Delhi to Thamban Aram Leke Council of National Institute of Technology, Science Education and Research NITSAR meeting o khamle Hayama Mr. Pradhan National Institute of Technology NITs Antole Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology IIESTs Satmod Bama Letik Tole Haboma Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal National Turmeric Board Chimakhang Rangmot Manrai Mi Phan Amayangka Boma Donyan Chawanu Majau Pangnu Khatawai Asat Le Hangang Arongotai Pulawan Le chia National Turmeric Board rangpong tuta ba ma yo motli satli mokhu dawali chuvan le ani ka ho iwai